let's take a look at our room because we can access it. So we are in 10276. Okay guys, let's take a look at our room. We have a balcony room, so it's a little bit bigger than an interior, so let's take a peek. So first thing, when you come in, you have two buttons here, makeup room, do not disturb. You click it if you want them to make up your room, and if you don't want them to make up your room, click do not disturb. We're just gonna leave those off for now. We do have our key in because you wouldn't have lights if you didn't put your key in here. And this controls the lights, okay? And right when you walk in, you'll see this full-length mirror, your thermostat, which controls your heat or your air conditioning. We like air conditioning. We like to sleep in the cold, so we've got that all the way down. Now, mind you, that does time out. If you open the cabin door, if you open the balcony door, it times out, okay? Now, right here, before I go into the bathroom, you have to step up. There's a big step up here, okay? So just be careful. Now the bathroom isn't huge, but what I can tell you right off the bat is this is much larger space than the Carnival Mardi Gras, where you're sitting down at the toilet and the shower is right here. Like you had no space to turn around. So at least I have room to move, okay? So we'll take a peek inside the shower. So inside the shower, they do provide you with body wash and shampoo and conditioner all in one. There is a detachable shower head, which I think is great. We have that at home and I like it. This will adjust the shower head. Bob is tall, so he'll want it up like that. I'm short, so this I will probably bring down a little bit, but why I'm showing you this is if you have kids, this is perfect, right? So we'll put that back up for Bob because he will probably take a shower first. Okay, then here is where you adjust your temperature. So up for cold, down for hot, and then this actually, you push this in and up, and that's what turned the shower on. People may not know that if this is your first time cruising NCL. And then down at the bottom, there's a bar for the ladies, so you can shave your legs. And then there's two baskets here where you can put your own personal toiletries on. I usually hang a razor from here. I bring my own shampoo and conditioner, and I usually put my sponge here, my body sponge. So, okay, so when you come outside of the shower, here's your toilet. You have two floating shelves here, which you can put all your toiletries on. You have two more shelves down here, which those are a little bit wider, which is nice. So Bob and I will put our toiletry bags on there probably. You have your toilet, there's extra TP down there. And then you have your sink, which they do provide you with hand soap. And I like it that they do this instead of the bar. I haven't seen this on any other cruise ship, and we've been on Royal, Princess, Carnival, and Norwegian, okay? So then down here is another storage shelf, and this is the garbage. So, you know, if you had a dirty tissue or whatever, that's where you put it. Okay, so the toilet paper is under here, so I don't want you to miss that because it's kind of hidden, and then they have tissues here that they'll replenish throughout the week. I just want to mention about towels. So they really like you to conserve here and not waste so much. So what they ask you to do, and there's a sign right here that says it, if you'll use your towel again, hang it up. If you want new towels, they ask you to put them on the floor. So Bob and I usually use the same towels, what, twice?
Yeah.
And then we'll have them swap out for some fresh towels. So, okay, let's head out. And let's check out the closets. That's next. Now I do want to say there is not a lot of space here, okay? There's probably about a foot, that's it. So this is tight. So on this side is where you hang up your clothes. There is laundry bag here, laundry service. So let me take this out so you can see this. Give you some prices and stuff. So you can have laundry service done. And you can always pause here so you can see the prices. Now we have never done this, but I'll just give you an example. So if you need a suit dry cleaned, it's $20, $19.95. If you want it pressed only, it's $6.95. I don't think that's horrible. If you wanted, say pajamas, 2-piece pajamas, it's $7.95. Press only, $4.95. Now, I don't know who presses their pajamas, but if that's you, then it's $4.95. So when you come out of the bathroom, here's the bed. Looks like it's a king. Looks like maybe 2 doubles put together. I can't tell, but I don't know. I think it looks like a king. It looks bigger than a queen. Up above it, there is some storage up there. You can put stuff up there if you want. I'm not really sure what you would put up there. Maybe some towel animals or some duckies. And then you have 2 nightstands on either side. The one over there looks a little bit bigger than this one. Not really sure what you would use that for. Probably charging your phones and whatnot, but I don't even see any plugs over here. Yeah, I don't see any plugs, so I'm not sure. Did you bring an extension cord?
I brought 2 extension cords, so if you do come on a Norwegian cruise, bring extension cords.
Because you're going to have to run it from here over there. And Bob has a CPAP, so he's going to have to run his cord from here all the way over here. So you have to be careful that you don't trip on that in the middle of the night. All right, so here's the TV. It is on a little bit of a swivel, so if you're laying in bed, you can turn it this way. And if you're sitting on the couch, you can turn it this way. What I like about this is they do have an account page on here, so you can view all of your chargers, which is really nice, but I think all the cruise lines do that, to be honest with you. So storage, more storage. You've got 3 additional shelves here. We will probably use that for camera equipment. Another storage shelving section, and this one goes back pretty far. So that's really nice for additional storage. You could use that for clothes too if you needed to. And here is the fridge, the mini fridge. Everything in there is an extra charge. So you have sparkling water, regular water. The sparkling water is $6 a piece, and this just regular water, spring water, is $5. Okay, so continuing on, if you haven't been on Norwegian, you get a freestyle daily. This gives you everything that is going on today. Dine when you want to dine, play when you want to play, which is why we love NCL. Oops. And then here is everything you could possibly think of to do. Shore excursion order forms, because we're gonna be in Bermuda for 3 days, okay? And then look at this, everything that they have on board. And there is a lot going on, which is great. One of our favorite things to do is howl at the moon, so we will be there tonight. I know a lot of people like to order room service when they're cruising, which is awesome, especially on a sea day when you don't have to get up and do anything. There's no timelines. So I just wanted to show you quickly what is included. So it's available from 6:30 to 10. You put your name, your stateroom, and the number of guests. You select the time that you want it delivered, and it looks like it's in half-hour increments. And then they just ask you what to select. Now, all of these options are no additional charge, okay? Down here, if you want something a little bit more like an omelet or some French toast, they can stock your mini bar for you, but it looks like that's an additional charge as well. So I'm just gonna flip through these, and Bob can take pictures of these and get those in the vlog for us. The room service, if you wanted to order room service, here are your options. This is available from 6 to 10. This is your complimentary breakfast, okay? Some breakfast specials that are an additional charge are on this page. Here is an all-day menu from 10 to 6:30. You could always pause here so you could take a look and read. And they do have a kids menu, which is really nice. Sandwiches, pizzas, entrees, desserts, beverages. it's a special occasion menu. They do leave you with, I don't even know what this is. It looks like sparkling wine. Which I don't think we will drink, but we'll leave it for the next person. You have garbage down here. This is where your hair dryer is, which is really an odd place for it. But I'll be honest, this is where I sit when I get ready. So I sit here and I put my makeup on. I've got this big lit mirror here. I'll take this off. This you could use if you ordered food to your room. And then additional storage. More storage, okay? So we'll put that back. Here you have coffee and tea, which I love because you guys know I'm a coffee person. So it looks like they give you some decaf and some regular. Creamers, teas. Looks like every sugar packet option available. So Splenda, Equal, Sweet and Low, Domino's plain sugar, and cane sugar. Okay, so that's awesome. I'll definitely take you to that. Here is the couch. Now, I will say this is our 4th NCL cruise, and I did not know this until I watched someone else's vlog. If you didn't have enough storage already, you should have enough now, because you could fit just about anything in these drawers. So that's pretty cool. I love that. And I suppose somebody could sleep on this couch if you needed to. Let's check out the balcony. Okay, so we do have a corner balcony room, so it is a little spacious compared to a regular balcony. Would end right here. I don't know if you can zoom in and see the seam, but there's a seam right here. Can you see that? That's where it would typically end. We have this extra additional space. So a little bit more, not much. It gives you room to at least turn around. And then you have this incredible view of New York City. Come take a look. And there you have it. That's our room for the week. So I hope you guys join us on our journey this week and continue to watch our vlogs. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and make sure you hit that like button for us. See you soon.